Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery, then you open the case right away. Once done, use the correct screwdriver and keep screws grouped so reassembly is easy. You should inspect the battery contacts, PCB, keys, and display connector for corrosion or debris. Make sure to note the model number for replacement parts. If you see white powder or green deposits, you have leakage. Clean that next. This initial inspection tells you whether cleaning, contact repair, or a part swap is required. Once the case is open and you located corrosion, you clean contacts using a cotton swab and a drop of vinegar to neutralize alkaline. Then follow with 90% isopropyl alcohol to remove residue and dry. Make sure to carefully lift and reseat ribbon connectors. Hold by the stiffener, not the flex. Next, use a multimeter to check continuity on traces and measure battery voltage at terminals. This confirms whether power reaches the PCB. If a trace is broken, you now replace any damaged components, swap corroded battery springs, replace worn switches, or install a new ribbon cable. Make sure replacements match model specs. Once parts are in, reassemble gently and tighten screws evenly. Do not over-tighten plastic posts. Insert a fresh battery and power on. Test basic operations, memory, and display contrast. If the calculator still fails, try a known good display or check the schematic for failed regulator or oscillator. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.